last episode, you guys seen me take the cab off of the Ratchet Toyota. Now what I'm going to do next is take off the 5-speed transmission because I want that in the other truck. So we're going to roll this forward and see what it takes to remove this transmission. Alright, we got some degreaser on the transmission there. First step is going to be remove the drive shaft here, and we're going to have to actually physically jack the truck up instead of using the lift because I got the cab on it yet. Alright, bolts in the back are removed and bolts are right there removed. Let's see if we can get it out of there. Alright, I think what I'm going to do next is remove the whole transmission mount. Instead of removing it from there, I'm going to take it off right off the frame. So those two bolts and two matching on the other side. Well, as you can see, that definitely came loose. So next we just got bolts on the back of the bell housing. So I guess we'll finish cleaning that off. Alright, we've got two bolts down past the starter here, one on the starter, a nut on the starter. We have a bolt missing right here and another one there, and probably 2 or 3 more bolts on the other side. So we're going to start with these bolts on this side. Alright, I had to remove the clutch slave to get to the bolt there. Transmission is off. Next we're going to go for the clutch and flywheel. Should be about 6 bolts, probably. They look like maybe 10 or 12 millimeter. Alright, the inside bolts for the flywheel look to be 14 mil. All right, and that's the flywheel. Next, we're gonna just take off this little plate here. Not sure if we need it, but I think we do. All right, just a quick recap, guys. We got the transmission out, the clutch and clutch disc, and the flywheel is all out. Thanks for hanging out for this episode. Please like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, and peace.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.